And guys, hope you know some well. Yeah, so today I want to go through about the support and resistance. After how to support and resistance after you find out your breakout, high time frame breakout. After you find out high time frame fake out. After you find out high time frame stay in range. You can only trade what I tell you if you respect three levels. I say stay spec. When you watch stay spec, you say everything. Everybody, every trader has three levels. Last month high, last month low, last month close price. Last week high, last week low, and last week closing price. When you have these three levels, you have your strike zones. After what you need to confirm price action confirmation. The three things happen at this level is the market do three things: breakout, pullback, continuation, fake out, going opposite, and breakout, pullback is staying in channel range. So every month you have to, every beginning of the month you have to ask for yourself, what happened in those three levels? This last month high, where the month this month is close, bullish breakout. All right, this month is finished. What happened on these three levels? The monthly market close inside. As you guys can see, oversold territory. As you guys can see, oversold territory. Mostly you can use an RSI 4-5. RSI 4. So by oversold territory, here daily support, daily support, daily support, daily support, daily support. As you guys can see, the market finds support. Every time I come back to the oversold territory, and you see that the market finds support. As you guys can see. So what you need to know, three things market do on three levels, guys. So in this particular case, this week, this was what? Last month high. The market monthly candle close on bullish breakout. Number two is what? And last week high, the market close what? Bullish breakout. What you guys can see? Market close on bullish breakout. Okay. Number three. Yesterday, market broke yesterday high and closed bullish breakout Monday. Yesterday, market respect the breakout and create higher high. Also break yesterday high and take other time frame buyers in the market. Daily time frame buyers in the market. This time, monthly time frame buyers in the market. Breaking last month high, what means that? Time frame sellers and time frame buyers. Breaking last week high, what means that? Time frame buyers, time frame sellers. So breaking last week high means weekly time frame buyers getting in on breakout. And all other time frames below weekly time frame is buying. Are you guys together? So breaking yesterday high, you need to understand deep what does it mean. The daily time frame buyer is buying on breakout. Are you guys together? And so you have to ask yourself, can other time frame buyers also buy with? Can they buy with together daily time frame? Yes or no? As long as the market not breaking yesterday lows, means other daily time frame buyers is still holding buys. Are you guys together? So that's why I say yesterday closed bullish breakout today. Possibly will close bullish breakout as I mentioned earlier today. All right. So this morning, what I was doing, I was actually using RSI 5. RSI 5 because the school I learned from, the school I learned, we use the certificate template, guys. We use RSI 5. So that means he only put the RSI 5 and teach us V shape and A shape recovery. V shape and A shape, you go identify support and resistance, guys. The support and resistance is how to identify support and resistance. Easy. You know, support and resistance a lot doesn't work. You need money confluence, guys. Without support and resistance trading, only support and resistance doesn't work, guys. All right. In this particular case, the market drop. Give me support. Before the market come back, I see here support, here support. See, so you guys can see. I see here is support. All support. I was here is also support. See that? Okay, this is here is support. Here support. To support, as you can see, 15-minute time frame. Okay, going back 1 minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. I was using 5-minute time frame actually, and there's a multi-source support area. So I was saying here support, here was support. See, here was support, here was support, here was support. So these support is I was selling here. I was saying it was support here. Here was a support here. After breakout, I was selling impulse. Again, I was selling on pullback. I sold, take money. I sell again, run again. Because I was trading against trading and on hold. Because the stop loss was 50 pips, too much. Okay, they come to support again. Here was support, 5-minute support for me. Here was 5-minute support for me. As you guys can see, here was 5-minute support for me. They trap all the support, no problem. When they're supported, they go back up. They go back up, they give me new support. New support. New support, can you see? New support here. When I see the new support, I draw my trend lines. I draw my trend lines here. Market broke the new support, I go full margin. I hold through here. Through here, I take my profit around here. They come back. Again, I buy here. I buy around here. I take profit around here. Because it will see like V shape. When I see V shape, when I see here in V shape, see I run. When I see A shape, I see resistance most. Then I run away. When I see the market hovering on above 70, I say no, let me run away. Again, the market drop. See, I see support. Market new support. Again, new support. Again, I draw my trend line around here, bring the trend lines, they stay around here, and I buy again. I didn't trust easily, I trust from here. And now the market is where? New all-time highs. Are you guys together? So, actually you need to find out the overall direction before you use RSI. RSI above 70 is A shape. Below 70, below 30 is V shape. So now this was A shape. Alright? So market now even break resistance. When they break resistance, they pull back the trend from 95 to 105, 100 VIP, guys. So what become resistance? As you guys can see, when they break resistance, there was resistance here, resistance area. As you guys can see, resistance area around here, market resistance, here was resistance area. As you guys can see, here by A shape, here, for 70, what you guys can see here, A shape. So breaking resistance, pull back, continuation. If you guys can keep simple that, it will be simple. So that's how to trade support and resistance, guys. Keep it simple, traders. May the market be with Salam alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So this week we have got what? We have got what? And actually, when the month started, it's a 4-day cycle, not a 3-day cycle. Day 1 upper range is Monday. Day 2 range expansion is today. So why market is not breaking up? Because what here? What do you see here? Why market is in this area? This area is a strong area. It's monthly opening area, weekly opening area, and last month high area, last week high area. How much? What's the area, guys? It's not easy. It's not easy. That's why the market is going to parabolic, and it's a front side of the month, guys. And it's front side of the month, front side of the month, front side of the month, and back side of the month. Front side of the month to back side of the month. Keep that simple, guys. Keep that simple. Front side of the month, week 1, week 2, sometimes till week 3. So follow the trend. First week of every new month is not easy to trade. The market doesn't do pullback you used to know. The market doesn't respect the rules you used to know. Be careful, be careful, be careful. That's why I say you need to study in live market. You need also here and to study price action and respect the price action. Keep it simple, traders. May the market be with you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.